All right, hey guys, this is Walter from the Kiriko Taiko community, and welcome to this amazing video because we are addressing questions from the Kiriko Taiko community. Now, today's question comes from Miss Alison, and she had a great question about if we can show her how to really break down each rhythm of our patterns, taiko patterns that we have. Okay, one being Uchidashi, and one being rhythm Uchi 3. Okay, so today we're focusing on Uchidashi, and in the past two videos, before this one, we broke down pattern A and B in one video. In the next video, we broke down pattern C and D. Okay, now this video, we're gonna focus on putting everything together. All right, A, B, C, and D. And just to make it simple for you guys, we're gonna do the Kuchi-shoka first. Let's do that together, okay? And then afterwards, let's play it together on the taiko very slowly. Don't focus on technique, just focus on the patterns. All right, are you guys ready? Okay, here we go. Whew, okay, here we go, you guys. So, Kuchi-shoka first. Start with pattern A all the way to pattern D. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Don, 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 do, do, don, da, don, do, do, don, da, don, do, do, don, da, don, don, do, ko, do, ko, do, do, don, 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 do, ko, do, ko, do, da, don, 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 da, don, da, don, da, don, da, don, don. All right, let's say that one more time. Just say it with me together. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Don, 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 do, do, don, da, don, do, do, don, da, don, do, do, don, da, don, don, do, ko, do, da, don, don, do, ko, do, da, don, 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 da, don, da, don, da, don, da, don, don. Okay, now one thing I forgot to mention is the last hit of pattern B is also the first hit of pattern C. Okay, so really be careful when you guys do the Kuchi-shoka. Remember, well, I'm gonna say it again. The last hit of pattern B is also the first hit of pattern C. All right, all right. So let's play another taiko with Kuchi-shoka. All right, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Don, 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 da, don, don, da, don, don, da, don, All right, I hope I played slow enough for you guys. Let's do it one more time. I'm gonna try to slow it down a little bit more, okay? All right, here we go. Kamaite. 1, 2, ready, go. Don, don. There it is, you guys. That is the Uchidashi rhythm of Kiriko Taiko. It's my favorite rhythm. And if you guys ever get a chance to come to the festival that takes place every year, the Kiriko, the Wajima Taisai, which is the Wajima Kiriko Grand Festival, you'll hear everybody, literally everybody playing this rhythm, okay? Just imagine like 100 Kiriko on the street, right? And they're all playing taiko at the same time. The Uchidashi rhythm and the rhythm Uchi rhythm. Of course, there's different variations and stuff, but you will hear this rhythm all throughout the night. It's played from like 6 p.m. to like 1 a.m., 2 a.m. For 4 days, okay? Really, really intense festival. If you guys haven't checked out my videos on the actual nights of the festival. Please check those out. I took my daughter for the first time this year. She debuted. She did her Taiko debut, and we had a great time. Okay. So with that being said, thank you for watching. This is coming up on 5.5 minutes here. So yes, if you guys have any more requests on our Kiriko Taiko channel within our Kiriko Taiko community, please don't be shy. Go ahead and post your questions, or you can just DM me directly, okay, on Facebook. And yeah, just if you guys are playing Kiriko Taiko out there, go ahead and post some videos and pictures of you guys playing. I would love to see your group and your music school incorporating this into your repertoire. Okay. All right, guys. So thank you so much again for watching. My name is Walter Tsushima of Kiriko Taiko out here in Japan, and it's because of you that I do this every week. My daughter is here, right here. We're about to continue practice, and thank you so much. All right, guys. Until next time, take care. Bye bye. Ta ton ton.